Hello and welcome to Player360. This is just a very brief insight of how Player360 works, and if you want to dive deeper, there are plenty of other videos where I would go deeper into the different configurations. So let us start. After you signed in, you are on the dashboard, which gives you pretty much informations about Player360, what's happening in the scene, where can I download my apps, where to start, how to get support. Then the second icon here is the scene management. Here you can set up your whole scene. You can set up the hierarchy of your scenes on the left side, create new scenes, drag files in here to quick create scenes, and set up the control elements, the hotspots of that particular scene. You can preview the scene, how it looks like on the devices. So that is the scene management. We have a video for that scene management that you can watch to learn more about managing your scenes. Then we have the file and the media management, which is also explained in a different video. Pretty much is this the file system in the cloud where you can upload all the files that are part of your project, and you can also delete, change them in here. What we're also doing is we do transcoding, so all your files are available in different formats and sizes, so that you don't need to worry about any technical details about how your videos are transcoded, how they work the best. The next tab is your profile, where you can pretty much change your password, set your personal data in there, and the last one is the settings menu, where you can set up how your app should be named, some basic settings. Then you can also set up the appearance in the app stores. This is used by us to if we support you by when you go into the app stores. We use these assets to update your entries on the markets. You can use this also to manage your files and know what you need for the certain platforms. You have the user management. You don't need to work on the Player360 alone. You can add other users or invite them to work together on your project. We have versions, where you can create, save a certain snapshot of your configuration and just serve this version, especially if you're out there and have billions of users. You don't want them to see your current changes immediately. You want to use versions, and this is the spot. On devices, you can manage all your testing devices where your app is pre-installed and get the testing configuration. And yeah, the other points are just for administrators, so I don't need to dive into that. If you have any more questions, just text us, watch the other videos, call us, and talk about your projects. We are really looking forward to help you guys and see what you're creating out there. Thanks for watching.